Hi, this is Laura, and I'm going to show you a new product, the new cello bags, which I just love. They come in a package of 50, and they are the size of 1 inch by 8 inch. And it is perfect to hold gumballs and other kinds of candy in them. So this is the project that we made at my monthly card class. This is the 3D project. I made this little toucan bird, and his legs are filled with the cello bags filled with gumballs. So let me show you how I put that together. Here is my pattern for future reference to make my little toucan. And we needed two top notes. We needed the petite pennants builder punch, a 1 1/4 inch punch, a flower from the boho blossom, 2 1 inch circle punches, 2 3/4 inch circle punches, 2 scallop ovals, 4 of the scallops pennant, and 1 of the solid line pennant, and then 4 little dots for her toes. Okay, we started off with 2 top note dies, and we cut the points off the bottom. And then I scored at the 4-inch line across the top. And then put sticky strip across that 4-inch line. And on the inside, the front, we also put a 1 1/2 inch about piece of sticky strip on the bottom. That's what's going to hold our legs in place when we get towards the end of our project. Okay, so first we're going to take this sticky off of the back side, and we'll line it up carefully with the front so the front and the back match. Okay, and then you can kind of, along that score line, bend that up just a tad bit. Okay, and then as you can see, I added her eyes on there. I'll show you how we did the beak. If we take the Petite Pennants Builder Punch and we take a piece of white cardstock, it's 1 inch by 4 inch, fold it in half, and we'll put it in there. Now we want to take it almost all the way to the top, but we want the fold exposed so that we can have that beak just folded in half, and then we punch it, and then we have our beak piece. Okay, we'll keep that folded for now. Then we're going to take our 1 1/4 inch circle that we punched, and we're going to line it up along the beak, matching the indents along there. And we're going to draw a line, draw with a pencil, a line around each of those, around the circle, and then around each little scallop, going like this, all the way down. So then we have the lines there, and that's what we're going to use our markers to draw in and color her beak. So if we take our marker and we color in the lines, just color between, we'll color the whole entire thing, alternating colors, coloring in colors, so each line has a different color. And I already got one finished for us here. And then we're going to take our paper snips and we're going to cut off that top scallop, just like that, so we don't have any white showing and we have a rounded edge. Then I also put inside that triangle from the Petite Pennants Builder Punch inside. So with glue, we'll put some glue on there, and we will add the beak right here. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and add the wings. I used a Stampin' Dimensional on the back for each one. We got that there. Then if we want to add a flower up at the top, all right, and using my crocodile, we will punch a hole in that. We'll use the smaller size. And we will add a flower brad to give that a cute little flower inside. Okay, and then this is how we're going to do the legs. We're going to take our cello bag, and with the opening facing towards you. So here's the opening. And then we're going to add our gumballs to them. So just add the gumballs to the top part and leave that open there, and then add another one. That way the hole's still there, and on down like this. We'll put that in part way. I'm going to show you how we add the foot on the bottom. If we just take a little bit of snail, put that on the bottom right here, and then staple it down. You staple it in place to hold it, and then we'll take another part of the foot, and with using the liquid glue, I always use liquid glue or a sticky strip, something that really adheres when you're doing punch art. So we added that there, and then we'll just add the toes. And then we'll slide these on down, and then add 3 more gumballs to the top. Alright, so I started this one right here. And then we will, this one I didn't put the foot bottom on yet, and I also added some cute little painted toenails for the toucan. Can you see those painted? Alright, so we've got that on there. Then we'll tie for, I call it their knees. We'll just tie a piece of ribbon around the knee area. Put it in a knot so it'll stay. Trim it up. We'll slide these gumballs down. Alright, so at the top of the cellophane bag there is a little piece to uncover the adhesive. So we'll uncover that right there. And we're going to line up our leg where we'd like it and adhere it at the top there. And then we'll take our other leg. We'll remove the sticky, and we will line it up also to match the other one. Stick it there. And then we're going to take off the sticky strip off the inside where we had it, and while your legs are lined up right there, we'll stick them down. Alright, now we have her done. Just a fun little bird. I added this to a package for a gift, for a graduation gift this weekend, but I also have more than just Mr. Toucan. We also have Miss Raggedy Ann. Here she is with her long red and white stocking legs. And then of course we have a yellow bird, Mr. Bird here. Well, I hope you've enjoyed seeing what else you can do with those cello bags. And if you have any questions, you can email me and contact me through my Stampin' Up! Website. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day. Bye-bye.